Hello everybody, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process on how I designed this beautiful flyer using Adobe Photoshop. In this tutorial video, I also show you how to edit text mockups using Adobe Photoshop. Now if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified of any updates, any tutorial that I drop. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. Now let's get into the video. But the first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my file and I click on new, and I'm going to give my project a name. So I'm going to call this Hangouts Flyer. Alright, good. And then set your width to 8 and then your height to 10, and then the unit should be in inches. Leave the resolution as 300 and then click on create. And the first thing you're going to do is to create a solid background color. So head over to this guy, click on it, and then click on solid color. And then this is the color code that we are going to use, 070E00, and I'm going to click on OK. Alright, now head over to the resource file that you are going to use in this video, and then drag and drop this image right here like this. Adjust it very well. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. Click on this guy. Now head over to the image tab and then click on adjustments, and then select the hue and saturation, and then let's do this basic adjustment for the image that we brought in. And then I'm going to click on OK. Good. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to rasterize the image, rasterize it like this, and then grab my eraser tool. Alright, and I'm going to clear off the lower part like this because we're doing it. Alright, good. So this is okay for me. Now right click on it and then convert it to smart objects. Alright, now head over to the image tab again, click on adjustments, and then click on the hue and saturation, and then change the hue to a +3, and then the saturation, let's keep it at 54, then click on OK. Good. Now I'm going to lock this and then lock this as well. Now head over to your folder again and then drag and drop this image right here. Click on this guy, rasterize the image, and then go to the select tab and then click on subjects, and then wait for the image to be selected. Alright, now that the image is selected, click on this guy to add the layer mask, and then the background is gone. Alright, so I'm going to adjust it like this. Get it right here, click on this guy. Alright, so I think this is okay for me. Now let's head over to the background image. Alright, this one, and then go to filter, go to blur, and then come to motion blur, and then leave the angle as 24 degrees, and the distance should be 60 pixels, and then click on OK. Alright, now select the image. Alright, the image that we brought into this one. Right click on it and then click on convert to smart objects. Now head over to the filter tab here and then click on camera raw filter. We want to do some color grading here because the image is looking a bit dark as compared to the background. Alright, so let's do some basic adjustments. Now come to the exposure and then increase the exposure. Let's do this, something like this. Then let's move the contrast to, okay, so I think this is okay for me. Now let's move on to the highlights. Good. And I'm not going to do anything at the basic adjustment. Now let's come to the color mixer and let's go to saturation. Let's increase the orange. So let's see, 60 is okay. And then the magenta, let's move it all the way to 100 and then click on OK. Good. Now the image is matching the background in terms of color brightness. Alright, now rasterize the image. Select your eraser tool and then let's increase the size, and then let's get rid of the lower parts like this. Okay, this is okay for me. Good. And let's see if we can adjust it a little. Alright, so we'll click on this guide. Now click on this guide to create a new layer, and then change the foreground color to, alright, and then click on OK. And then grab your brush tool, and then let's apply it down here like this. So let's adjust it. Good. Click on this guy, and then let's reduce the opacity a little bit. So I think 30 would be okay. 30% is okay. Click on this guy. Good. Now head over to your folder, and then bring in this image right here. We're going to resize it like this. Click on this guy, and I'm going to bring it right below the image. Need to adjust it like this. Now head over to the image, click on adjustments, click on hue and saturation, and then let's add some adjustments to it. Okay, click on OK. Good. Now head over to your folder again, and then all the resources that I am using in this video is right available in the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack. Because of that, I am not going to link these resources in this video. So if you want these resources, you need to get the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack, because everything that I am using is right in there. So I don't want to repeat myself by putting the resources in the video again. I'm going to leave the link of the Graphic Design Resource Pack in the video description, and then I'll also pin it in the comment section so that anyone who wants it can just check it out. Alright. Okay, so now we have this zip file here. I'm going to double click on it to open. So for those of you who don't know how to edit text mockup or any mockup in Adobe Photoshop, I have a video on how to edit mockup in Adobe Photoshop, and I'll also link that in the description of this video. Alright, so let's double click to open the PSD file. Good. Alright, so this is what we are going to do. You see this first layer here, this is double click to change the text. Now double click on this thumbnail right here, the smart object thumbnail. Double click on it, and you are going to change the text. So we are going to replace it. Click on this guy, and I'm going to change the font to Montserrat. So this is Montserrat, and I'm going to change the font style to black, and then do some adjustments. Alright, click on OK. Now that we've changed the text to the text that we want, come here and click on this guy to close it. You are going to get a pop-up menu, and then you're going to click on yes or something, and the text effect has been applied to our text. Now the only thing we need is the drape text effects here. So I'm going to get rid of the background, the explain, and then I'm going to drag and drop this text to the flyer that we are doing. Alright, so like this. Good. I'm going to size it like this, put it right here, click on this guy. Awesome. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to group all of these files, the text files. I'm going to drag it to the folder icon. Right. Now I'm going to rename it as the text effects. Right. Good. Now go ahead and then add our remaining text. So let's decrease the size, change the color to white, and then change the font to typography. Let's increase the size a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to add my next text, which is the hangouts. Good. And I'm going to adjust it like this. Put it right here. Click on this guy. So I'm going to double click on it and then change the color. Sample this color here. Alright, so this is the color code that we are using for the text, and then click on OK. Click on this guy. Then go to your shapes. Select the rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle shape like this. Change the color to this color right here. Alright, so you can sample the color of the hats, the cape that the lady is wearing. And let's put it right side like this. And I'm going to add my next text. It should be the night. Good. Let me change the fonts to Monster Arts. Regular, from regular to bold. So basically this flyer is very simple. All you have to do is to follow along, get your resources and then follow along, right? Now I'm going to add the venue and then the time to it. So I'm going to create a duplicate of the night text. So Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, drag it down here, and then I'm going to add my text like this. Alright, now we are going to add our last text and then we are done for the day. So I'm going to make a duplicate of the night text again, Ctrl+J, and I'm going to drag it to this side like this, and then change the text to the date, which is 17th January. Alright, you can adjust it, change the color. Sure, let's sample this color right here. Click on OK. And press on Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Drag it down and then change this to 2026. Good. Let me some adjustments here. Change it from bold to black. Now let's decrease the size. Okay, so this is okay for me. Now if you want, you can also go ahead and then add the day, which is either Sunday or Saturday or Friday to it, right? Good. And there we have our flyer looking very beautiful. If you look at this particular flyer, you're going to get to that the color combination, everything is on point. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell icon. Alright, now one thing I'm going to tell you is that if you want to become a pro graphic designer, a very professional one, there are two things that you need to master. One, your principles of design, and then two, you need to have good resources. If you don't have good resources, you might have that idea, right? The creativity might be there, but the tools and then the resources to bring your creativity to life could also become a challenge. And so because of this reason, I've put together the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack. This pack comes with a whole lot of resources, from fonts to background on images to models, from models to light effects to a whole lot. Alright, if you get this resource pack, trust me, you're going to love it. It is going to save you a whole lot of time, and it also increase your workflow. I will leave the link in the description below, and I also put it in the comment section. One thing about this graphic design resource pack is that it's just a one-time payment, and then you're going to enjoy everything for life. And then I will also be updating it from time to time, which means that as we go on, I'll be adding more resources to the file. Until I come your way with another video tutorial, I'm out.